Hi everyone, I hope everyone's looking forward to Christmas. I thought I'd provide a little bit of a market update in terms of what we've seen within packaging in 2023 and then what we're looking at moving into 2024. So it's been a tough but challenging year for some of our packaging clients. We've had quite a bit in terms of legislation. So we've had PPWR, which is on everyone's mind as they look at how products can adhere to circularity and sustainability. What we're really seeing is the consumer perspective and how that's really key in terms of how companies are driving sort of new product development, and obviously then looking sort of more futuristically at how products can be more sustainably packaged. Companies are responding to consumers' wants and wishes. I went to a sustainability conference in Barcelona not too long ago, and actually it was really interesting because the whole of the value chain were there. So it was really interesting to see a lot of sort of perspectives in the market in terms of products and that sustainability angle. From a talent perspective, a lot of our clients are looking at staying ahead of the curve. They've been investing millions in research and development, and actually a few we've seen have even shifted. So substrate transition is at the forefront of their strategy. So looking at maybe adopting new products, and when this is happening, we've seen a lot of the focus has been looking at talent externally. So no longer are companies are thinking we can get this talent from within. They're looking at search partners to go and hire that talent externally. Another key highlight from 2023 was that we recently led a roundtable discussion in Helsinki along with Bain and Company, where we discussed their recent global paper and packaging report. What was really interesting was, again, we had representation across the value chain, and some of the discussions that happened were really interesting from my perspective because talent was very much a talking point within the room. I delivered actually a keynote presentation on the Chief Sustainability Officer, and actually it was really interesting to see who in the room had one and who didn't. I think stemming from that conversation and actually the work that Bain and Company did, a lot of companies actually don't have that focus within their organizations. So we sort of came out of that, hopefully sort of steering the conversation along the lines of, companies need to be doing more within that realm. All in all, it's been an incredibly busy 2023. Really looking forward to 2024 and all the conversations that we're going to have within packaging. If any of my network want to reach out and have a conversation, I'm really happy to do so this side of New Year, but also going into 2024.